What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me guide you on how you can create a Discord server. First, open your Discord app. Over here, you will see the green plus button on your left. Click on that. You can choose here some template. In my case, I will choose gaming. Then just choose for me and my friends. After that, you can input here your server's name. And you can upload a photo of your server, then hit create. After creating, you can invite your friends to this server by clicking invite your friends over here. On the top, you can search for your friend's Discord name over here. Or if there's suggested here that you want to add, just click invite. You can also copy this invitation link and send them to your friends. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.